I took a fall during COVID trying to help my sister out. I was on a stepladder and fell about 4 foot onto concrete. Didn't bother me so much right away, but soon after that I started having lower back issues and hip issues. I run a small construction company, so I'm on the job every day working hand in hand with my employees, and also I have 10 grandkids that I have to chase around. And finally this year when I went to my doctor for my annual physical, I said, "Hey doc, this has just gotten to the point where I can't even sleep." So I took an x-ray and said, "Well, I'm not a radiologist, but it doesn't look very good to me." And so I had a friend that knew Dr. Carter, and this is where I ended up. And when I first came in, I was a little nervous because I didn't know him. And after looking at my x-rays, he said I'm a perfect candidate for this surgery. I knew right then that he was the guy for me. I never anticipated truly getting back to what I was. And here I am, and I feel better than I have in, like I said, 10 years. The process was amazingly easy. I showed up at 8 o'clock, my surgery was at 10. I was home in my own bed by 3 o'clock. It was amazing. I didn't expect it to be that way. I thought I'd be around here for a couple hours and post-op or whatever it may be, and it was actually perfect. I couldn't be happier with my process.